No matter what size your toolbox, finding the right socket when you need it can be quite challenging if you don't keep them properly organized. Some kits keep them locked up in a case, but that's not convenient when you are working, and if you are like us, they pile up on the bottom of your toolbox. Whatever you are looking for, we've rounded up some of the best options out there. Check out our favorite socket organizer below. Number 1, Alsatools Socket Organizer. The 3 socket organizers from Alsatools are made up of durable aluminum and beautiful finish. The entire construction is very precise and solid. The included pins are solid and they glide smoothly. The best thing is that they can go on either side of the rails. One admirable aspect is the versatility of the rails. All the pins hold the sockets firmly and they are easy to detach. Taking a look at the main features, each organizer comes in 1/2 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/4 inch drive size. The included 1/2, 3/8, and 1/4 inch drive socket holders are important for the neat organization of sockets on socket rail. The capacity is large, i.e., it can hold 58 sockets. This aspect indicates that it can be used for intensive tasks. It is known that the organizers come with 1/4 inch clips, 3/8 inch clips, and 1/2 inch clips along with ball bearings. Moreover, they are capable to hold your sockets securely under extreme conditions. The built-in spring-loaded clips provide peace of mind, irrespective of the size of sockets. They are held securely in place, whether for indoor or outdoor applications. They can safely hold the sockets without any hassles. Pros: excellent space saver. Very durable. Nice design. Easy to remove the sockets. Cons: difficult to use initially. Number 2, OEMTOOLS 222336 6-piece socket organizer. This socket organizer is very good at storing 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 drive sockets. Clearly labeled posts really help us distinguish well between SAE and metric bases sockets. We also like its sturdy base, which prevents sockets from tipping, even when sitting at an incline. With tons of tools nearby capable of knocking against this socket organizer, this is a great thing to have. We like the spacing between this socket organizer's posts, making sockets easy to place and remove, even if you have fat fingers. Also, sockets do not hide the measurement labels. We are very comfortable using this socket organizer with home and automotive sockets. Another socket holder worth checking out is the Tecton 1890 socket holder and organizer set. This organizer holds 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive sockets with spring steel socket clips and has a storage capacity of 16 sockets per rail. You should also organize your best Allen keys for easy access. This socket organizer comes with a dual rail system with clearly labeled posts. It is a great way if you prefer to organize shallow and deep well sockets in their own sections. Pros: easy to use. Can be used for SAE and metric. Clearly labeled. Organizes 170 sockets. Cons: shallow socket posts very close together. Number 3, Alsatools Magnetic Socket Organizer. If you are in search of a decent quality magnetic socket organizer tray capable to accommodate both deep and shallow pockets, this product is a good choice. The 3 socket organizers in this set save your valuable time otherwise wasted on searching the appropriate socket. They can work with most types of sockets. Looking at the size, it is made available in the form of 3 pieces set that consist of 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive. They are durably built from high-grade polypropylene material. To offer portability, it just weighs 409 pounds. These Alsatools socket organizers are famous for holding up to 75 sockets. The sturdy strong ferrite magnet base is capable to securely hold all your sockets in place. You can effortlessly find the required sockets from the socket tray when you need it. All tools in your shop or garage can be easily hanged at a safe place. The rubberized magnetic base makes sure there would not be any scratch on the steel surface when you mount it on. Based on the available space, you can place it on a desk or table. The best thing is when mounted on a wall, it does not fall off. Pros: can hold both deep and shallow sockets. Powerful magnetic base for the perfect hold. No scratches to tools when mounted. Lightweight and portable design. Cons: slightly expensive. Number 4, Aries 60034-3-piece magnetic socket organizer set. This magnetic tray-style organizer is a well-constructed socket storage option. The 3 trays are molded out of heavy-duty, impact-resistant plastic. It boasts space for 75 sockets, and each holder is magnetic to keep sockets in place. Easy-to-read markings eliminate the frustration of searching for the right socket. The set works with both shallow and deep sockets, and a magnetic bottom lets you easily mount the organizer on the side of a metal tool cabinet. Though this rugged organizer is a great option for your workshop, its three-piece handleless design does not make it conducive to transport. The rubberized bottom helps protect the edges of the sockets while you store them in the socket organizer. It fits standard and deep 1/4-inch metric sockets. A strong magnet keeps the sockets in place while you store them. We like the Aries 70233 organizer and no problem using it to store our sockets. The only downside is that it only holds metric sockets, and we tend to use Imperial more often. Despite this, we think this is the best socket organizer available today. Pros: 26-piece, magnetic, rubberized bottom, high-impact plastic. Cons: only for metric sockets. Number 5, Iusio 6PCS Socket Organizer Tray Set. In these socket storage trays, the deep and shadow socket holders are included for toolboxes. They help you eliminate toolbox clutter and save time for finding a required socket. It is an all-inclusive socket tray set specially designed for keeping sockets organized. You can conveniently find the required socket instantly. The size accommodates 3-piece set of 1/4-inch, 3/8-inch, and 1/2-inch drive sockets. The durable ABS construction offers durability. This ABS material can keep your socket safe from oil and gas. The weight of each of the storage tray is 2-4 pounds. These trays can accommodate a complete metric and SAE range. Generally, they fit SAE size ranging from 1/8 to 5/8, 1/4 to 1, and 3/8 to 1-1/4. Furthermore, they accommodate metric size ranging from 4 mm to 15 mm, 6 mm to 20 mm, and 10 mm to 27 mm. The black metric and red SAE socket tray easily distinguishes when they are mixed. The inclusion of additional clips is an additional feature that is rarely found in other socket organizers. They are good-looking rail and prove to be a wonderful addition to the toolbox. For the price offered, the features are very beneficial.